Hey, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my page, Moneymaking Juggernaut. I'm your host, Eric Richardson, the #1 educator in the asset recovery business. Today, I have a great video in store. I am going to break down the question that a lot of people often ask when they're jumping into this business. When can I actually go full time? You see that the asset recovery business is a unique niche in real estate, and you're very tuned into this because we're providing help. This is an industry. We're simply helping people file claims for unclaimed funds that they had no idea about. There's a little bit of feel good in this business. You know, we're not selling any type of terrible products. We're not putting people in some policies that are terrible. You know, we're literally providing help. Okay, we identify properties that sell for a higher amount, or we have located unclaimed funds, and we're simply trying to help the previous owner, the entitled party, actually claim those funds. This is a great industry. I think it's the greatest industry to be in, possibly. We're finding money that people had no idea about, literally becoming a modern day Robin Hood. So since it's such a great niche to get into, we want to know, hey, how can I do this full time? How can I completely focus on this? So in today's video, I'm going to break that down. I'm going to give you guys some tips on how you can go full time and give you the best strategies so that you continue doing it full time, because we don't want to just get one deal, consider ourselves going full time, get another deal, and then just stop. We want to actually do this for the long term, guys. So the #1 thing that we must understand is time duration on payouts. You can simply learn about surplus funds, grasp enough knowledge, go out there, find a list, locate an individual, get them to sign up literally within a few weeks. That is not an issue. Once you submit your claim, ideally standard across the entire nation, we're looking at 3 to 4 months. That's just on the first claim. So if everything just went perfect, you got a deal within the first few weeks, you submitted a claim, you're not going to receive payment for some time. If that's just one deal, are you going to get one deal and then give up? No, you're going to do one deal and you're going to keep getting deals and you're going to build your pipeline. So I would say if you want to go full time, you would need at least 6 months to be considered eligible to go full time. And the reason why I say that is within that 6-month span, you can build a lot of deals in your pipeline. So if we can get our first deal within the first few weeks, that payout may not come for a couple months, but hey, along that entire time, we're going to constantly be building our pipeline, building our leads, submitting claims. And by that 6-month mark, boom, we've gotten paid out. That payout should be enough to cover to make you understand, hey, I got this first payout. Now I have 4 to 5 more lined up. And then you just keep continuing the pipeline. You just keep going, you keep going, you keep going. So the first thing we have to understand is the time duration. I have to be 100% honest with you guys. This is not a get rich quick scheme. This is a long game. So after the 6 months mark, you've been doing this business, you got some deals in your pipeline, and you've been officially paid out on one deal. Now you're eligible to go full time. Now, in order to be full time, you have to have the correct systems in place. To be full time in this, we should constantly be pulling leads. Every single week, you should know what's your bread and butter. What counties are you working in? What states are you identifying? You need to understand how many foreclosures are occurring. Then we have to prepare our leads. You have your system set up. If I identify properties that are selling for a higher amount, if I've identified unclaimed assets, now I need to locate the previous owners, the entitled parties, and then we need to market them, guys. Marketing is crucial. If you want to do this business full time, it is not out of luck. You have to have your marketing in place. There's so many different ways we can market. We can do text messages, we can do calls, we can do email blasts, we can do signs, we can do door hangers, we can do door knocking, we can do social media outreach. You have to have your marketing in place because it is very crucial. Then, of course, you need your team in place. If you really want to go full speed, full time with this, you need a team, guys. You need virtual assistants. You need an attorney on your staff so that you can be legitimate and close deals with ease. You have to know all state statutes. You have to become an expert in whatever industry that you're in. If you're in unclaimed funds, become an expert in that state. If you're in tax overages, become an expert in that county. If you're in mortgage overages, the same thing. Unclaimed state funds, bankruptcy, you have to become an expert. So having a team is crucial. You need a good website. You need a professional business email. If you're going full time, you have to be legitimate. You have to be presentable. Obviously, you need an LLC and a checking account. All right, so now we have an idea on how long that will take. We have an idea on what it will take to actually get started. Now let's talk about how to actually stay in business for the long haul. You should be posting testimonials constantly. You should always be updating your marketing. You should be checking out the industry, what new technology is coming out. You should be understanding counties that are changing up their foreclosure information. But most importantly, guys, we have to make sure that we're continuously servicing our clients. If you have deals in this business, you can continue getting deals. If you get one deal, you can get 100,000 deals. But it's all all about your mindset, your work ethic, your determination to keep moving forward. All right, guys, so hopefully this video uncovered a lot of answers to your questions so you guys can understand that this is a great business to do full-time. You can do this business from anywhere in the world. All you need is Wi-Fi, a phone, and a laptop, and the will to succeed, and you'll do just fine. Thank you, guys. If you're interested in learning how to do this business step by step from somebody who's been doing this business since 2018, check the link in the description. I'm looking forward to helping you out.